Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Windows 7. First, let's cover the essential system requirements. Your Windows 7 operating system needs specific updates to run current Minecraft versions smoothly. Make sure your computer has at least 2 GB of RAM for a decent experience. Additionally, a graphics card supporting OpenGL 2.1 or higher is absolutely crucial. An Intel Core i3 processor, or its equivalent, is also highly recommended for stable gameplay. Now, let's talk about getting the game itself. You'll need to purchase Minecraft Java Edition directly from the official Minecraft website. After your purchase, download the Minecraft launcher, ensuring you select a version compatible with Windows 7. Once downloaded, simply install the launcher by following the straightforward on-screen instructions. Finally, log in using your Mojang or Microsoft account credentials to access your game. It's a simple process to get started. Once Minecraft is installed, optimizing your game settings is key for a smooth experience on Windows 7. Start by adjusting the in-game video settings. Reducing your render distance to 8 chunks or even less can significantly improve frame rates. Also, disable fancy graphics and smooth lighting options, as these consume considerable resources. For even more advanced performance enhancements, consider installing Optifine, a popular mod that offers extensive optimization features. These steps will help your game run much better. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting and best practices. Always ensure your graphics card drivers are updated to their latest available version for optimal compatibility and performance. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources for Minecraft. Running the Minecraft launcher as an administrator can also resolve certain stability issues. If you encounter persistent problems, consulting online forums dedicated to Minecraft on older operating systems can provide specific solutions. Enjoy your blocky adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.